Welcome to the BizTalk Learning. Today we are going to understand what is meant by the BizTalk server. Now to understand this, let's consider an oil-based company which is having a different application running on their organization which is used to support the different interdepartmental work. Now there will be some asset management application which is running on the Java platform. There will be an inventory application which is running on the IBM mainframe, and there will be a purchase application which is running on the Unix application. And after all, there will be a department called it as a financial department which have their own application called it as a Oracle Finance Accounting application which is running on the Oracle platform. Now consider the case, since it is an oil based company, the company has a policy that is after every quarter of the year the support team have to replace the oil producing equipment. So in this case, the support team will first go and check with the asset management application which is running on the Java. It will check whether the asset is available to replace or not. If the asset is not available, then the team will go and check with the inventory application. This inventory application will provide the if the inventory is available, then inventory application will provide the asset to the team, and the same team will going to insert a new record into the asset management application, which is nothing but the tracking of their assets. Now suppose in this case, uh, the uh, uh, the inventory doesn't have uh, any equipment, so that it will then the team will go and check with the purchasing department and to order the equipment. So the team again will go and check with the purchasing application whether they can able to afford the equipment or not. Now this purchasing application obviously internally will take the approval from the financial accounting system or nothing but the financial department. Now this department already having their application which is running on the Oracle platform. By considering this case, this all application, these are somehow interrelated or interdependent on each other, and every time the support team have to manually go and check within the application to process one single business scenario. This is an old case. Now there supposed to be uh, some or other way where all those interrelated application can directly communicate with each other and to facilitate and can able to facilitate the business in a seamlessly. This is nothing but we call it as this can be achieved, which is nothing but it's called it as a EAI. EAI is going to replace this manual work and will try to connect all the interrelated applications. Now EAI is nothing but the enterprise application integration. This enterprise application integration will internally relate each application within itself as well as the outside of these applications. So all the manual efforts like logging into the each different application and putting the request manually, it will be now shifted to automatically automation. This is nothing but the EAS. The same kind of EAS is been developed by the Microsoft, that is nothing but the BizTalk server. So the BizTalk server is enterprise application integration system. Second, BizTalk is a Microsoft integration and connectivity server solution. BizTalk connect the diverse system. As you can see, there are the different application within the organization which is running on the different platform like as a Java, then IBM mainframe, Unix, and the Oracle. All these application which is running on the different platform that can be get interrelated by using the EAI, nothing but the enterprise application integration. Now BizTalk is a is a connecting different application within and outside of the organization. Thus, it is called as a B2B. Now, consider the case where some purchasing department have to connect with the different application which is outside of the organization. Even that can be helpful by using the EAI. So that's why the BizTalk is called as a B2B integrator. So all of it, we can say that we can draw a simple definition. It is nothing but a BizTalk is a enterprise application integration system from the Microsoft that help connect the various systems together.